Before you speak a single word, the room has already decided. Before your handshake, before your smile, before your first sentence leaves your lips. In less than 7 seconds, in less time than it takes to draw a breath, people have already formed an opinion about you, your authority, your status, your competence, even your character. And it's not based on what you said, it's based on what you wore. My love, appearance is not vanity. Appearance is not superficiality. Appearance is communication. In fact, it is the highest form of communication we have. And the problem is, most women are sending a message they never intended to send. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what those signals look like. The things that quietly lower how you are perceived and what elegant, high-value women choose instead. Hello, my love. I'm Elisa, a luxury image consultant. And here, we don't just talk about clothes. We refine how you are seen, how you are treated, and how you move through your life. And before we go deeper, I want to say this very clearly. If you are tired of feeling like you are guessing your way through your appearance, your confidence, your life, then this is exactly why I created my Return to Elegance Masterclass. Inside, I don't just give you tips. I guide you through a full transformation. You rebuild your identity. You understand exactly how to dress your body. You create a wardrobe that actually works. You develop calm, feminine presence. You learn how to speak, set boundaries, and carry yourself with quiet authority. You bring structure, peace, and clarity into your daily life. Because my love, this is not about becoming someone else. It is about removing what is misaligned so you can finally live as the woman you were created to be. Look 1. What you're wearing that lowers your presence. What rich, elegant women don't wear. They don't wear clothes that collapse on the body. Soft, shapeless fabrics that lose structure, cling in the wrong places, or simply hang without intention. And maybe you've experienced this. You put something on, and it doesn't feel wrong, but it doesn't feel right either. You don't feel held, you don't feel defined, you don't feel powerful. And then you walk into a room, and you already feel smaller. What they wear instead? They choose structure, not stiff, not uncomfortable, but intentional. Think, a blazer that defines your shoulders, a dress that follows your natural shape, trousers that sit perfectly at your waist. Because structure does something very important. It holds your presence in place. And once you understand this, you start realizing it's not that you lack confidence. Your clothes are not supporting you. And my love, you deserve to feel supported before you even speak. Look 2. Overbranded pieces. What rich, elegant women don't wear. They don't rely on visible logos to communicate value. And this is where many women get confused. Because you think, if I wear the brand, I will look expensive. But what actually happens is the opposite. When the logo speaks louder than you disappear behind it. And the message becomes, I need this to be seen instead of, I am already seen. What they wear instead? They choose quiet quality, clean leather bags, refined finishes, minimal intentional branding, pieces where someone who understands style will recognize it instantly. But it never feels forced, because true elegance is never loud. It is understood. Look 3. Cheap-looking accessories. What rich women don't wear. They don't wear accessories that look overly shiny plastic mass-produced or trend jewelry that fades quickly, because accessories are not small details. They are signals. You can be wearing a beautiful outfit, and one cheap accessory will lower the entire look. What they wear instead? They choose intentional finishing pieces, a structured leather bag, a classic watch, simple gold or silver jewelry, refined sunglasses, not more, better. Because elegance is not about adding, it's about selecting, look for, over-accessorizing what they don't wear. Too many pieces at once, layered necklaces, stacked rings, multiple statements fighting each other, and the result is confusion. Nothing stands out. Nothing feels intentional. What they wear instead, they choose restraint. One strong piece, one focal point, one clear message. Because a refined woman understands something powerful. You don't need more to be noticed. And my love, when you remove the excess, what remains is you. And this is where it becomes even deeper. Because now we move from details into something that changes your entire presence. Look 5. Clothes that don't fit you properly. What rich, elegant women don't wear. They don't wear clothes that are slightly too big, slightly too tight, almost right. And I want you to really hear this, my love. There is no such thing as almost right when it comes to your image, because when something doesn't fit you properly, it communicates immediately. Lack of precision, lack of intention, lack of self-awareness, even if everything else is beautiful. And maybe you've experienced this. You try something on and you think, it's okay, it works. But deep down, you don't feel fully confident in it. And that feeling follows you into the room. What they wear instead, they choose precision, pieces that sit exactly where they should. Waistlines that are defined, shoulders that align, lengths that are intentional, and when needed, they tailor. Because fit is not luxury. Fit is standard show. Oversized blazer, too loose. Too tight dress, pulling uncomfortable. Perfectly tailored version. The difference is immediate. Look 6. Clothes that don't match your life. What they don't wear, they don't dress, only for comfort, or only for convenience, only for invisibility. And this is where many women get stuck. You wake up, you choose something easy, something safe, something that allows you to disappear. And then you ask yourself, why am I not being taken seriously? What they wear instead, they dress for the woman they are stepping into, even in small moments, even on ordinary days. Because your daily life is where your identity is built, not just special occasions. May love. You don't become that woman one day. You practice her every day. Look 7. Chaotic proportions. What they don't wear. Outfits wear. Everything is oversized. Everything is tight. Nothing is balanced. And the result is your body disappears. Your presence weakens. Because your silhouette is how people read your structure. What they wear instead, they choose balance. Fitted plus relaxed. Structured plus soft. Defined plus flowing. For example, fitted top plus wide trousers. Structured blazer plus soft skirt. Everything has intention. Everything has contrast. Oversized everything, no shape. Balanced silhouette. Elegance. And this is where your presence changes, without you saying a single word. And now, we go to the most important part of all, because everything we've spoken about so far won't matter if this last piece is missing. Look 8. Dressing without intention. What rich, elegant women don't do. They don't get dressed without deciding who they are that day. And this is the most important shift of all, my love. Because you can have the right clothes, the right colors, the right pieces. But if you don't choose your identity, your image becomes inconsistent. And when your image is inconsistent, people don't know how to perceive you. One day soft, one day casual, one day invisible, one day trying too hard. And the result is you are not fully seen. What they do instead, they dress with intention. Before they get dressed, They ask, who am I today? How do I want to be perceived? What does this moment require from me? And then they align their appearance with that answer. Because, my love, appearance is not random. It is communication. The world is not responding to your potential. It is responding to what you present. And when you change what you present, everything begins to shift. And this is why so many women feel unseen, even when they know they are capable of more. It's not because you are not enough. It's because what you are showing is not aligned with who you truly are. And that misalignment creates confusion. But the moment you become intentional, the moment you decide, this is who I am, this is how I show up, everything becomes clear. And my love, this is exactly why. I've been feeling that many of you are ready for something deeper than just videos, because this kind of shift doesn't happen just by watching. It happens in the right environment, with the right guidance, with the right level of intention. And that's why I'm preparing something very special, in-person experience, where we go into this together. This will be a very limited salon for women who are truly ready to step into that next level. If this is something you would seriously consider, make sure you are following me on Instagram and checking my community posts. I'll be sharing everything there very soon. Tell me in the comments, my love. Which of these will you change first? And if you're ready to go deeper right now, to truly refine your identity, your style, your presence, and your life, my return to Elegance Masterclass is waiting for you below. Because this is not about becoming someone else. It is about removing what is misaligned so you can finally live as the woman you were created to be.